Okay, and then subtraction for maths. Remember we did it with one number, and now we're going to do it by two numbers. Okay, so two numbers minusing two numbers. So what I did here, remember what subtraction? You should be drawing the blocks, the 10 blocks, that's for tens, because when you minus in, you're going to be scratching out those blocks. So you need to see which blocks you're going to scratch out. Okay, so yeah, for plus it's okay, you can just draw the rectangle, no blocks, but for minusing you need to draw these blocks. So here we have 24 and here we have 13. Remember, subtraction means we're taking away, so I'm not going to be drawing 13 here because I'm not putting 13 more. Remember, I'm taking away, so it's saying that I have 24 sweets and I'm taking away 13. So here's my 24 block sweets, and I need to take away 13 from here. Okay, so the way I'll do it is, um, you can start with the tens. You can take away the tens first. So on this side, you're gonna see how many tens are there. There's 1 10, right? That means I need to come here and take away 1 10, and then we're going to look at the units and see how many units we need to take away. So for now, we're just going to take away 1 10. So if I come here, 1 10 is just this block, right? Here there's 2 tens because that's 2 tens, and there's 4 units. So I'm taking away 1 10, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to scratch that one out. Okay, now we're left with 1 10 and 4 units. But now we've already taken away 1 10, we need to take away 3 units. So I can see that I can take away from, I don't need to come here to the tens and take away the tens. I can see that I can take away 3 from here. Okay, so I'm going to just scratch that out, and it's 1 2 3. Okay, so now we are left with so this is me scratching it out. Now we are left with 1 whole 10 and 1 unit. So if I do it like this, I put the tens and I put the units. How many tens are we left with? We're left with 1. And how many units are we left with? We're left with 1. So the answer is 11. And here's the answer as well. So remember, I did the same method. 10 units answers. Tens, it's 20 minus 10, okay, is equal to 10. So you just say 2 minus 1 is 1, and you just put the 0. Then 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, that sum is right. But now remember, I can minus 4 minus 3, but look here at this one. Can I say 7 minus 9? No, I can't, because this is a small number. It's supposed to be the bigger number must be first and the smaller number next. So because it's like this, 7 minus 9, remember with this one, you have to it stays the same. So I change it to 9 minus 7, but then that stays the same as minus. When it's like this, and you find that the bigger number is first, or the sum is proper, like 4 minus 3, then the answer, this answer you have to plus. Okay, you have to plus this answer, 10 plus 1. So with this one, because it's a funny one, it stays the same. I keep this as minus. Because this is a normal one, a normal sum, okay, I change it to plus. Alright, so 10 and 1. 10 plus 1 gives me 11. Okay, I can't say minus 1 because that will give me 9, and then that's the wrong answer. Then I come to the house. Tens and units. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so over here again, I drew 37. 3 tens. There's my 3 tens. And 7 units. That's made up of a 5 and 2 blocks. So 5 and 2. I need to take away 29. I need to take away 2 tens, and then I need to take away 9 units. Okay, so I'm first going to do the tens. So all I do is scratch out 2 tens. That's 1 10 and 2 tens. Okay, now I'm left with 9. I need to scratch out 9. But I already know there's 7 here, so I'm not gonna scratch out from the units. I'm gonna rather go and scratch out from the blocks in the tens, because it will be easier. So all I'm doing is scratching out 9 blocks. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and now we can see what we left with. So we left with 1 block here, and all I need to say, I already know that there's 7 here, so it's 7 blocks, and this one makes it 8. So the answer is, there's no tens because we scratched out all the tens, and even from here there's no tens left, but there is units. Okay, so there's 8 units. Yeah, 30 minus 20. Okay, 3 minus 2 is 1, and you put the 0. Then you put the units. 7 minus 9. Okay, can I say 7 minus 9? No, I have to put a bigger number first, because remember, it's like saying I have 7 things, 7 sweets, and I need to take away 9. I can't take away 9. It's not normal, right? Because I only have 7, and 9 is more than 7. So I have to turn the number sum around, and then I need to make it 9 minus 7. Now it's like saying I have 9 sweets and I can take away 7. Okay, and I'm left with 2. And then I come and I put my answers. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Remember this, and this is only with minus, is where you have to either change it to the plus or the minus. That will give you the right answer, and that's just something you have to remember, guys. And then we come here and we say, oh sorry, here is 7 minus 9. But remember, with a house you can't say 7 minus 9, because I have 7 and I can't take away 9 things. So I'm gonna borrow a 1 from here. So it's like me saying, so here there's 3 things, and I'm just gonna take 1 10 from there, right? So it's like saying 3 minus 1, or 3 tens take away 1 10, you left with 2. Okay, and then that 1 10, I put it here, and then that 1 makes it 17. 17. So now it's 17 minus 9, and you can work out the answer, and that is 8. Then we come here to the 10 side. Remember, we left with 2 now, and it's 2 minus 2 gives us 0, and I just put a dot. So the answer is 8. Okay, so I'm gonna give you sums again. I'm gonna type it on the application for you, and then you can just do those sums, and please draw it as well. Use your counters if it helps you. Do this method and remember the answers, and do the house method as well. Okay, thank you guys.